The app that earn money by playing game in the Play Store in raining. 2248 Chip Connect app is one of this. This app is encourages people to earn money by playing games. Can you really make money by playing game? So friend, let's know what is 2248 Chip Connect app is, how to use this app, which this app will be able to earn money by playing game. Even if you earn money, will be able to withdraw money into our Paytm, PayPal and bank account. And our most important and final question is whether 2248 Chip Connect app is real or fake or safe. This app which claimed that you can earn money only by playing the game. This app is Android game which will be found in the Play Store. This app will be so earning money by playing the game. It is not charged from the people to play the game. So friend, let's see how the game work by playing the game ourselves. Here I have already downloaded this app from the Play Store. I open this app from here. After opening, the graphic design interface of this app will look something like this. There is no option to registration in this app. Here is the option of wallet which money will be showing earning. So friend, let's try this game by playing the game app. Now let's talk friends, so this app real or fake. 2248 Chip Connect app which say that you can earn money just by playing game, but in reality there is nothing like this. It is kind of cheat. The 2248 Chip Connect app is very suspicious. Maybe this app pays some lucky user money to show themselves real. My opinion is that you should not expected earn money from 2248 Chip Connect app. If you look at the review of this app, then a lots user have given negative reviews. 2248 Chip Connect app is real or fake. I cannot claim this app to be fake, but according to me, this app can be fake because many people are claiming to be fake. This app is not safe to use. You can use this app for entertainment just like other games.